Hi children, welcome to Annie's Learniverse tutorial.
Here are some cat rhymes for kids. Soft and furry, sleek and neat, little kitty with tiny feet, purring softly, whiskers twitch, snuggle and close, an adorable pitch. Kitty cat, so full of grace, chase a yarn ball in a playful race. Whiskers wiggle, tail in the air, furry friend with a gentle stare. Black, white, or orange fur, live kitty, you make hearts purr, nap in sunshine, curled up tight, dreaming of adventures in the night. Meow, meow, sweet sound, kitty prowls low to the ground, whiskers whisking